Welcome back, traders. Welcome back to another video. So it's your boy Hassan, and we're going to be talking about our strategy using AUD chips. So this is going to be another step-by-step breakdown in less than 10 minutes. So stick around until the end of the video so that you can learn something, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's go. This is AUD chip, and this is the 1 minute time frame. So we're just going to follow our rules, and I want to see people who have been forward testing this strategy comment in the comment section and tell me how has it been working for you. Are you improving in your trading, or things are not still working out well? So give me feedback and see where we can fix. So this is AD Chief, and we're just going to follow our rules step by step and see what we get. So say go to the high time frame. Same rules guys. So go to the high time frame. What is our high time frame? Is the daily time frame. So we go to the daily time frame. So when we go to the daily time frame, what do you want to do? We want to mark out our structures. So rule number 2, mark structures on the daily time frame. What are the structures you're marking? You're marking supply and resistance. You're marking any demand and supply zones that we can see on the daily time frame or on your high time frame. So I'm going to mark support, because I can see an open area of support here like that. That is how I mark my support with the rotatable triangle tool. Then resistance, we don't have it, but we have a supply zone. Rally, base, drop. You have a good supply zone here. Someone can also argue that this is resistance. It is okay because you can see price taps, drops, taps, drops, taps, drops. So this is also a strong area of resistance. However, I can see a clear supply zone to mark, so I want to be marking resistance. But even if you wanted to mark resistance, it is still fine. You can do that. So now we have done that. We have gone to our high time frame, which is rule number 1. We have marked out our structures, which is rule number 2. So rule number 3, what do you want to do? Rule number 3, you want to drop down to the medium time frame only if you have gotten confirmations from our high time frame. So rule number 3 always says drop to MTF. You only drop to the medium time frame after getting confirmation from your high time frame. If you have not gotten that confirmation, you are not supposed to drop down to the medium time frame. So let's just wait for our confirmation on the high time frame, then we shall be going to the medium time frame. And also what you have to understand is that if we are coming from this zone, this is where the likely destination where we are going to be heading. So this is going to be our take profit. If you're coming back from this zone, if we get a setup from here, our take profit is likely to be down here. So we have to make sure that we trade with a lot of caution, because we know chances are high we might be likely going back to this zone. Good. So now what else do we do? Wait for price to come back, to come into our zone and give us confirmation. So I play price forward, and remember guys, as you're waiting for price to come back into our zone, I think I drew it so far, this one here. As you're waiting for price to come back into our zone, that means you're waiting for daily candles to close. So you have to be patient, because this is the daily time frame you are on. You have to be patient, wait for those candles to close. Don't rush and enter because you have seen some bearish or indecision candles, unless price is into your zone. So I just play price forward. Then price gets into the zone, which is now a very good sign. The moment you see price into your zone, that is a good sign. However, that is not a confirmation for you to drop down to the lower time frame. What is your confirmation to drop down to the lower or the medium time frame? An indecision candle or a strong rejection candle in that zone. I hope you're together. We have gone to the high time frame. We have marked out our structures in the high time frame. Now price is operating in our structures. Oh, we are waiting for price to come and operate in our structures to give us confirmations to drop down to the medium time frame. Guys, this is how you get a trading plan. This is how you'll be able to stage a trading plan step by step, such that you avoid entering the market randomly. You avoid entering into premature trades. You avoid entering into setups that are not yet ready. by following your rules. That is why I always insist, please have a rules-based strategy. That is what is going to make you consistent in the market. If you don't have a strategy, you can pick this one free of charge. It is always here. Go and forward test it and see what it brings you on a demo account. If it works for you, then you can put it on a live account. But first test it out and see what it gives you. Now we have reached into our zone, so we're waiting for confirmation in form of a rejection candle or an indecision candle. Now when price opens the next day, you can see that the price closes below, it closes below this previous opening price of that candle. And remember, this is the daily time frame, so this one can be my confirmation, or I can wait for even more confirmation just to be concrete. But remember, the more you wait for more confirmations, the higher chances you're going to miss out on some of the trades. So always take the first one that you get as your confirmation. So now we drop down to the 4-hour time frame. That is the medium time frame. Where are my rules? Let me first pull them closer. Come here. Then we drop down to the medium time frame, rule number 3. So rule number 3 says we drop down the medium time frame. On the medium time frame, immediately you can see that we had a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and a lower low. This is our change of character. So now we have always said that when we see a change of character, rule number 4, drop to lower time frame. So we have always said that when we see a change of character, we want to follow it with a break of structure to confirm that now the trend has changed from bullish to bearish. If we don't see a break of structure, we are not supposed to enter that trade. And all that happens on the medium time frame. I've always told you the medium time frame is where most of the work happens, but you just have to be careful and patient to wait for the things to form. They always form, but you just have to wait for them to form. So I play price forward, and then immediately you can see that we get a break of structure. So this is our change of character, this is our break of structure. Let me just mark them for people who don't understand them. So this is the church, this is the church, and this is the BOS, the break of structure. This is the break of structure. So you have church here, you have a break of structure here. Now, after we have seen that, this is the right time to drop down to the entry time frame to start looking for your supply and demand zone. So I have a supply zone here on the 4-hour, and I always told you, if I see it on the 4-hour, I'll enter the 4-hour. If I don't, that is when I drop down to the entry time frame. But now I've marked on the 4-hour, I can just drop down to the entry time frame and refine this to there, like that. And that is the 1-hour. The 1-hour, you can see a clear change of character, and then you can see a clear break of structure here. So that means we are already good to go. Let me just go back to the 4-hour because I don't want the candles to be many. I don't want to deal with many candles, guys. I just want a few candles that I can understand and move with. Okay, so here we are. So now we are going to get this one. I'm just going to be looking at one entry because I don't want this video to be so long. So I think 15 pips should be okay, depending on the zone. And then the take profit is going to be all the way down. Why all the way down? Because you are targeting the resistance, the next support zone all the way down here. So that is 123 pips, 1:7. That is where the take profit is going to be all the way down. Why? Because it's the next resistance zone. Now when you're here, everything is set. You're just waiting patiently for price to come and tap into your supply zone, and then you drop it massively like crazy. Drop it massively like crazy, guys. That is all you're waiting for. Beyond that, you're not interested in anything. Are we together, guys? Beyond that, you're not interested in anything. All you're waiting is for price to tap into your zone and drop down 1:7, and you're good to go. That's why I always tell you guys, you have to keep yourself to this channel. Subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to like the video. At the end, if you've learned something out of it, because it's the algorithm is going to send it to more people who would want to have the same knowledge but cannot access it. So make sure you like this video. And guys, mentorship is still on. The discount ended yesterday, so effective today we are back to $100 mentorship, and the book is only $10. Let me put here the number that you have to WhatsApp me on. So that is my WhatsApp number. Just contact me, guys. Only contact me when you want mentorship and you're ready to subscribe. If you're not ready to enroll for mentorship, first sit down, take your time, make your decision. You come when you're ready. Guys, you come and inbox me and tell me, hi, this is so and so. I've been trading, but I'm not profitable. Okay, what do you want me to do for you? Just come and tell me, this is so and so. I've been trading, I'm not profitable. I've seen your videos and I would like to enroll for mentorship. Simple and straightforward. How do I pay? Then I give you the payment, because by the time you come to me, I accept that you have made your due diligence, your research, and you agree that I might be the person that is going to make you profitable. So you coming and trying to interrogate me is not going to help you. Also, if I put you in the group, in the mentorship group, please follow what is there. Follow what other members are following and wait for me to come and teach you in the classes. Do not be stubborn. Just come. You've come to get the knowledge. Come get the knowledge. Go home. So only WhatsApp me, guys, when you're ready. Do not WhatsApp me to come and tell me, hi, this is so and so. Okay, so and so, what do I do for you? I be busy, so you guys pull me from my work when I think, maybe it is business. When I come, someone just want to thank me. Someone not just want to know me. Why would you want to know me, guys? Why do you want to know me? I don't understand. It should purely be, the relationship should purely be transactional. Yes, you give me something, I give you something. You watch my videos, I appreciate you comment. I also reply to your comments. That's how we should be doing it. We should not be wasting each other's time, because I don't know you. You don't know me. You want to know me maybe if you meet me in person, but online, I don't think I want to know a lot of people online, because sometimes there might be robots, sometimes there might be scammers. So I do not agree to that. So only come, guys, if you're ready. If you're not ready, it is okay. You don't have to force anything. You don't have to force anything. Just do whatever you keep on doing, for as long as you're profitable. It is okay. You don't need to look for another strategy. Just use whatever you've been using. For as long as it is making you money, you're good to go. So please, guys, let's be guided. Okay, so that is the number. WhatsApp mentorship is $100. The book is only $10, and I always recommend this. The book is only going to help you if you're not a beginner. That means you've been trading for at least minimum 1 year, and you just want to steer your trading to the right direction with the right concepts. That is when the book is going to help you. If you're a beginner, it's not going to help you. Just leave it alone. Go somewhere else, learn mentorship, get mentorship, learn. After, you can come now and buy the book, or you can come and get my free videos, use my strategy for free. But you're thinking that you're not going, guys, you'll invest in Forex trading. You want it or not, you're going to invest in it. If you don't, you're not going to be profitable. That one I can assure you. Even me, I was thinking like you at some point. I just wanted to go use YouTube, and then I learn every strategy I can. I get a simple one, and then I become profitable. No, at some point you'll need someone who is going to show you the right direction. Someone who is profitable already to show you the right direction. If you don't get that person, it's going to be hard for you. You cannot just buy a $10 book when you don't know anything, and then suddenly you become profitable. If it was simple like that, everyone would be buying. Everybody can afford $10. They will be buying that book and be profitable. Simply because you've watched the videos for 1 week, you buy the book. Guys, be serious with your life. If you have decided to go into Forex, look for the things that are going to, that you require to be a profitable Forex trader. Look for that knowledge. Go and purchase that knowledge. If the moment you believe that this person is profitable and they can help me understand what I want to know, please invest in it and get it. Thinking that you will come and pay $10, $50, and then you become profitable and start making millions of dollars suddenly, it's not going to be, that's not how things work. Trading takes time, and you have to invest in it. Okay, enough of the ranting. Let me finish the trade. So just wait for price to come back into your zone, and then it is going to drop to it is going to drop to your take profits. I don't know why this one is not working. I think it is it is the internet. It is slow. Good. The price is going to take you to your take profit. We already hit our TP. So by now you should be out. Yes. Price is going to come into your zone, tap into your zone, and immediately drop into your take profit. So that is all, guys. That is all for today. I just wanted to do a quick video such that I can refresh your minds on the strategy. Don't forget, I know you guys, when I leave you, you're going to forget everything and then start afresh. So that is it. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video at the end. And one thing I can tell you before I go, guys, there is nothing for free. Especially I've got this with my Nigerian brothers. People be coming in my inbox to beg, oh, please help me, help me. Even if I wanted to help you, I cannot help you, because if you don't have money for mentorship, how are you going to get money to fund your account? It's going to force you now to start stealing because you want to get money to go and trade. So if you don't have money for mentorship, you're not ready for Forex. Just leave it, go and get some job, work, save for at least 6 months or 1 year, and then you can come for Forex trading. You cannot be in Forex trading when you don't have money. This is something that people don't tell you. You cannot be in Forex trading when you don't have money. You don't have money to get the knowledge, you don't have money to find your account, then why are you studying? Don't do those things, guys. My Nigerian brothers, I know the situation there is hard, but please, it is going to be even harder if you study Forex and you don't have money. It's going to be 2 times harder. So just make sure you don't make that mistake, guys. I'm praying for you, my Nigerian brothers, to be okay, but this thing, you cannot enter it without money. You're going to be depressed. Forex is going to mess with your mind. You will even run mad. So first chase for financial stability with a job, then you can come back to Forex with a job. If you have a job, Forex is just going to enhance your earnings. It's going to enhance your earnings. It is not going to replace your job immediately. It's going to enhance your earnings, and after 6 months or 8 months of being profitable, you can now quit your job. But you don't learn Forex today and then tomorrow you quit your job. It doesn't work like that, guys. It doesn't work like that. And people who think that they're going to get knowledge for only $10 or for free, it's not going to be possible. You're going to move and maneuver this market until when you get tired and give up. But it will never be possible for you to get this Forex knowledge for free. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for the subscription. Don't forget to like the video. Make sure that you practice on a demo account and see what you get. Have a lovely day.